In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage code in Bitbucket. By the end, you'll feel confident making quick edits right in your browser and saving them safely to your repository. First, sign in to your Bitbucket account using a modern web browser. Make sure you have access to the project you want to change. If you're part of a team, your permissions determine whether you can edit and commit, so check with your admin if something looks locked. Once you're in, head to the repositories section. This is your hub where all your projects live. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the correct one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong project. Next, select the repository you want to work with. Take a moment to confirm it's the right repo by glancing at its description and recent activity. You'll usually land on an overview page, but what you want now is the Source tab. Click Source to view the code tree. Here you'll see folders and files just like you would in a code editor on your computer, along with breadcrumbs to help you keep track of where you are. Browse to the file you want to modify and click it to open a read-only preview. This is a good time to confirm you've picked the correct file and location. When you're sure, click the Edit button. Depending on the layout, it might appear at the top right or in a drop-down menu. This opens Bitbucket's built-in code editor. In the editor, you'll see syntax, highlighting, and line numbers to make changes easier. Carefully make your edits, keeping them focused and clear. If you're changing more than a few lines, consider adding comments within the code to help teammates understand why. Before committing, scan your changes for typos or formatting issues. The in-browser editor is great for quick fixes, but it won't run tests, so staying precise matters. When you're done, look for the commit section. Add a short descriptive commit message that explains what changed and why. Clear messages make your project's history easier to navigate later. If your organization uses conventions, like prefixing messages with a ticket ID, follow them here. Finally, click Commit. Bitbucket will save your changes to the repository, and you'll be taken back to the file or the code view where you can see your update reflected immediately. You can also check the file's history to confirm your commit and review previous versions if needed. That's it. Log in, go to repositories, pick your repo, open the Source tab, select a file, edit it, and commit when you're done. Simple, safe, and effective.